India plows away to become the fastest growing world economy.
India is being seen as the fastest growing economy as evident from the necessary macro and micro growth drivers. As per the monthly economic review prepared by the Indian Finance Ministry, rapid vaccination and teeming festivities will push India's ongoing recovery, resulting in narrowing of demand supply mismatches and greater employment opportunities. Atmanirbhar Bharat mission encapsulating major structural reforms continues to play a critical role in shaping India's economic recovery both through the signaling of business opportunities and expansion of spending channels. The Economic Survey 2020-21 released in January 2021 had projected GDP growth of 11% during the current financial year ending March 2022. The survey had said growth will be supported by supply side push resulting from reforms and easing of regulations, push for infrastructural investments, boost to manufacturing sector through production linked incentive schemes, recovery of pent up demand, rise in discretionary consumption subsequent to the rollout of vaccines and pickup in the credit given adequate liquidity and low interest rates. As per the Confederation of All India Traders, India's economic recovery gathered steam in the festive season, recording decade high Diwali sales of US 17.33 billion. Improving COVID-19 situation amid the high business and consumer spirits delivered sustained economic recovery in October 2021 as well. The global economic recovery, however, continues to be impacted by prolonged supply constraints and input cost inflation. World Trade Organization's October forecast also confirms favorable trade prospects underpinned by a resurgence in global economic activity and vaccine dissemination. This augurs well for India's export performance in the near future, lending credence to IMF projecting India becoming the fastest growing economy among major countries in the current and the following year.